ChatGPT might be way more effective if you use a few basic techniques. My name is Ronnie. I help big companies get more out of AI. My AI courses have been taken by over 1 million people now, and my work has been featured in CNBC's Make It and Fortune magazine. Now here's something I'm not going to talk about in this video, and that's sort of prompt templates. That's because I'm not a big fan of them. There's more to effective prompts than sort of one-size-fits-all cut-and-paste solutions. Here's something else that you may want to try. Instead of asking ChatGPT for something, get ChatGPT to interview you for a while. You can say, I need some slogans for a social media campaign. Ask me questions one at a time until you have all the information necessary to come up with effective slogans. This is great because giving more context to the model will usually yield more accurate results. But coming up with context can be difficult. So having the model interview me is a more effortless way of giving it context. Next, ask the model to come up with a plan before asking for something. So you could start with something like, what are the steps required in order to write an effective resume? Then you can task the model with writing the actual CV after giving it whatever context is necessary. Breaking things down into multiple steps will cause the model to slow down a little bit and can often yield substantially better results. The final tip is personas, and this tip is everywhere. Assigning the model with a persona means telling the model who it is and not just what to do. There is a little bit more to it though, because the more specific you can be, the better results the model may yield. Instead of saying you are a marketing expert, you could say you're a senior social media marketing expert specializing in SaaS marketing. You have experience working for small startups as well as tech giants. As with many other prompt engineering tricks, this may yield much better results. So what are your tips for getting more out of AI? If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more like it, you may want to hit subscribe. Until the next one, have an awesome day and always be learning.